here we are with the beautiful AT6430F Echo. It is part of the Avantgarde Pro line, which is one of the top tier lines that Kaiser does. It is a wonderful extractor available with a lovely black beveled glass and high grade inox stainless steel. Now, this extractor is extraordinarily powerful with 3 stages of operation with the low, medium, and high. And they extract at a very powerful 1,250 cubic meters per hour when you're ducting it out, whereas you can use the recirculation method, which utilizes charcoal filters that go over the motor to recirculate and clean the air, the vapors and the odors out of the air when you're cooking, but it reduces the speed to 1,000 cubic meters per hour, which I still think is quite sufficient. So with that, you have these beautiful LED lights that are operatable by this lovely intelligent touch screen, which controls these lovely stages and can also set a timer to automatically stop the extractor after a set amount of time. So let's say you're cooking your lovely food for your loving family and you go to set your timer because you're done cooking, but you still want it to suck a little bit more of the air out and you want to walk away and not worry about it automatically turning off. So another great benefit about this extractor is that you can open it very easily like so, and inside of it has these lovely lifetime reusable metal grease filters, which we recommend that every 2 to 3 months you take out, throw into your dishwasher, make sure they're nice and clean, and then put them right back inside. And also the charcoal filters, which we sell as an accessory as well. It does come with 1 pair, and we recommend that you change them once every year. With that, this extractor also fits very well with our Avantgarde Pro lineup of hobs or cookers, and it is available in a 90 cm version as well. So with that, thank you very much, and I look forward to having you as our esteemed customer.